Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a coupon for your riding schools. As you can see, I've already created one here, just as a sample, and I'll explain how the way I created it and the benefits of it, and then we'll quickly run through these other ones and get them created for you. But what you're going to do is, when you're in your dashboard, you're going to come down to marketing here and click on coupons. And as you can see, there is this one here. I generated a random one, so we're going to go add coupon. I'm going to come back to and we'll call this, for example, let's call it Style Blom. Just like that, 2023. Okay, so now this is going to be what our coupon is. So I've copied it. I'm going to go back to my Word document and I'm going to paste it there so we've got reference of it. What we're going to do here, discount type. So now we can either go percentage discount, fixed cart, or fixed product discount. We're going to go percentage. Coupon amount is, now this turns to 10%. If this was fixed cart amount, that would be 10 Rand. Same with the product. So we're going to go 10 percentage and then 10%. You don't want to allow shipping. What I would advise is just to give it an expiry date, because we've put this date in here so we can keep record of it. What we do is that we just simply go to the end of the year and click 31. There it is there. Then we're going to go publish. Then the page will refresh. There we are. So now that is created. Now we're going to go to the usage restrictions. So if you wanted to put, say they have to spend more than 500 Rand, then what happens is you've got to put 500 Rand in there. If you say, for example, that you want them to only nothing more than 2,000 Rand, you'll put the limit of 2,000. Now, anything from 501 Rand to 1,999 Rand this coupon will work. Otherwise, it won't. So what we'll do is we'll clear this and we'll clear this. Okay, I would advise thinking about putting a spending limit in, because if they come and only spend 120 Rand, right, then that's 10%. That could be lower than your cost. I'm not too sure what your markup is, but the lower it is, the more, could hurt you. So maybe just up it a little bit or put a minimum spend in. So individual use only. Check this box if the coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. So let's say, for example, it comes to that says Black Friday. So they can't get the 10%. Say they've got a couple of jodhpurs in the cart. They can't use this coupon to get the 10%, and then they can't use a Black Friday special, which will give them 15% off. So in total, they're going to get 25% off. So what I would do is I would say tick this one. Okay, that way it can't be used with any others. So for example, let's say a friend gives them this one, and then another friend gives them another one that's part of a different school, right? They can't come and use the two coupons at the same time. If you want this coupon to be exclusive to only a product, then you click here, you search for the item and then select it. If you want to exclude, say you've got 100 products, you only want to exclude one, you would put it in there. You can assign it to any of the categories you want, so it only work for this category. Then exclude categories and allowed emails. Allowed emails you don't really have to worry about, but this could come in quite handy, especially when running some specials for only jodhpurs. Okay, then you would click here and you would find the jodhpurs. Okay, the usage limit, limited usage limit per coupon. We need to keep it unlimited. Let's say, for example, it's a coupon for a friend. You can log in, create the coupon, and then limit it to only one. Okay, now that means that once this coupon is being used once, the system will never allow it again. Okay, apply to all qualifying items in the cart. So you can limit how many items it will qualify for, and then limit usage limit per user. So now what that means is that if you want Eric from the one school to use it, he's obviously got to create an account and he'll probably use Eric, right, for his name, right? He's allowed to use it once. However, Barbara can use it multiple times. sorry, not multiple times. Let's backtrack there. Apologies. If Eric has a user account, Eric can use it once, but Barbara can use it once because she's got a different user account. And then Bob can use it, and then Natalie can use it. So we can limit it per user if you wanted to. So think about those ideas, and then if you want to keep it unlimited, then that's fine. So then we just click update to make sure the changes have saved. And then it will refresh. And there we are. So we've got 10%, we've got the date, we just check this box, otherwise we leave it blank. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another couple for you. All right, but then I'm going to leave you to do some so that you can actually get a practice. So let's do this one here. Don't make it, to add a new one, sorry, you'll just click add coupon, another one here, add coupon here. So I wouldn't make it the name. I would try to limit it. So we want 2023 personally, I would say that. And we just go like that. Okay, we're going to go put a 1 there to make it 10. Fixed. We can go down to usage limit. Check this one. Everything else is staying the same. Oh, we've got to do the date. Go to the end of the year. I think that took me about 20 seconds to maybe add. So as you can see, it's very simple and quick when you get into the swing of it to actually add a coupon. So now we'll copy this and we'll put it there, and we'll call this one and now it is case sensitive, and we'll call this one branch, just like that. So what the users need to do is when they adding it in, they need to make sure that they add it in exactly the way the coupon is spelled, with no spaces. So if the guy can't add the coupon, you need to make sure that they haven't by accident, and I'll give you an example now. So let's add new one here. So let's call this, and we'll put it in, and let's call it like that, and say we leave a space, just like that, okay? Or what happens is that they make a space. Now you can see that extra space there. Now if you're to publish it, that space becomes a character. Also, we're not obviously going to publish it like that. We're going to publish it where there's no space. But if they copy it with the space and paste it in, that becomes an extra character, which means the system will not use it because the system will not recognize the extra character. So when they copy it, make sure it's copied, as you can see, the beginning of the B and the end of the 3. Okay, so we're just going to keep going like this. Date it just like that and hit publish. Let's copy this while it's publishing. Let's put it here. We'll call this one ET stab. Okay, add new one. Now if you don't like the names that I've chosen, then you can simply come and edit them. Edit the names if you wanted to. It's entirely up to you. But as you can see, it's actually quite quick when you get into the swing of things. Now I'll create this last one for you. And this one was EQ, just like that. Now don't make it too easy. Don't make it too easy that anyone can guess it. So don't use the full name. That's why I'm taking abbreviations out of it, out of the name. Hit publish. So now, as you can see, we're simply just adding as we go along, right? Which is not a problem. Just like that. Okay, but if you want everyone to see which ones you created, you just go, as you did in the beginning, sorry, marketing and coupons. We go back one. And there's all the coupon amount, coupon type, it's percentage, coupon amount there, description, product IDs if you want, usage limited, expiry date. Here we go. as you can see here, this one here, I forgot to put an expiry date. So let's edit it. And we'll come back. So you are able to check if you've done it correctly quite easily. Here we go. Okay. So there is all the ones that we've created. I will create, I'll save this document and I will send it to you via email, and then you can carry on creating. Just go back here and make sure it's got the dates in. There we are there. Okay. If you have any issues, give me a shout.